This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 22. This series is specially designed for the students of CSS because they often feel difficulty for the preparation of MCQs portion of the subjects. Therefore, this series will help them to cover that portion as well. And other students who prepare for PMS or any other job exam through FESC or PPSC can also take benefit from these videos. In this video, we will discuss the MCQs regarding roundtable conferences in London. First MCQ, in April 1928, who became Viceroy of India? Options are Lord Curzon, Lord Minto, Lord Irwin, Lord Birkenhead. So third is the right option, Lord Irwin. In April 1928, Lord Irwin became the Viceroy of India. Which report published in 1930 invited huge criticism? Options are Cabinet Mission Report, Simon Commission Report, Election Commission Report, Indian Cultural Commission Report. So correct option is Simon Commission Report. Simon Commission Report published in 1930 invited huge criticism. Third MCQ, the Working Committee of Congress launched its civil disobedience movement in 1930 under whose leadership? Options are Nehru, Atmaram, Gandhi, Banerjee. So correct answer is Gandhi. It is important MCQs. Under the leadership of Gandhi, the civil disobedience movement started in 1930. When Congress decided not to take part in Round Table Conference? Options are 1927, 1928, 1929, 1930. So the correct answer is 1929. In 1929, Congress decided not to take part in Round Table Conference. Congress annual session of 1929 was held at, options are Delhi, Lucknow, Surat, Lahore. So the correct answer is Lahore. Who decided to hold a round table conference in 1930? Options are Muslim League, Congress, British government, religious leaders of India. So the correct option is British government. British government decided to hold a round table conference in 1930. When Independence Day was celebrated by Congress? Options are 25th January 1930, 26th January 1930, 27th January 1930, 28th January 1930. So second is the right option here, which is 26th January 1930. And it is important MCQs from the exam point of view. On 26th January 1930, Congress celebrated Independence Day. When first round table conference began in London? It is also important MCQ. Options are September 1930, October 1930, November 1930, December 1930. So the correct option is November 1930. First round table conference began in London in November 1930. Who presented Muslims in the first round table conference? Options are Aga Khan, Dr. Muhammad Shafi, Maulana Johar and Muhammad Ali Jinnah, all of them. So fourth is the option here, which is all of them. How many Hindu representatives participated in the first round table conference? Options are 3, 4, 5, none. So the correct answer here is none. None of the Hindu representatives were present in the first round table conference. Hindu leader not participated in the first round table conference for? Options are leaders were in jail, government did not invite, civil disobedience movement, difference between Hindu and Muslim. Third is the correct option here, which is civil disobedience movement. Due to the civil disobedience movement, Hindu leaders had not participated in first round table conference. Who inaugurated the first round table conference? Options are William George, George III, George IV, George V. So George V or George V have inaugurated the first round table conference. When Gandhi and his colleagues were released from jail? Options are 24th January 1931, 25th January 1931, 26th January 1931 or 27th January 1931. So the correct answer is 25th January 1931. When Gandhi and Irwin Peck were inked in? Options are 5th February 1931, 17th February 1931, 19th February 1931 or 21st February 1931. So the correct answer here is 19th February 1931. The Gandhi and Irwin Pact were inked in 19th February 1931. Congress would discontinue civil disobedience movement and would take part in the second round table conference and be allowed to campaign for the sale of Indian manufactured goods. These points were the part of. Options are Nehru Report, Delhi Proposal, Kaid's 14 points, Gandhi-Irwin Pact. So the fourth is the correct option here, which is Gandhi-Irwin Pact. All these three were the points of Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Which Muslim leader died by the second round table conference? Options are Maulana Shaukat Ali, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Allama Iqbal. So the correct option is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. 17th MCQ. Who refused to accept the representative character of Muslim delegation in second round table conference as they did not belong to the Congress? Options are Nehru, Gandhi, Justice Bandhe, Abul Kalam Azad. So the correct option here is Gandhi. Who demanded that 14 points of Quaid-e-Azam should be inducted in the future Constitution of India? Options are Allama Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam, Dr. Muhammad Shafi, Aga Khan. So the correct option is Dr. Muhammad Shafi. 19th MCQ. Who announced that in case the Indian representative could not reach an agreement on communal issue, then the British government would have no alternative to laying down a provincial scheme of its own? Options are the point is who announced this. Options are Lord Minto, Lord Wavell, Lord Curzon, MacDonald. So the correct option here is MacDonald. MacDonald announced that in case the Indian representatives could not reach an agreement on communal issue, then the British government would have no alternative to laying down a provincial scheme of its own. 20th MCQ. Who announced the communal award? Options are Irwin, MacDonald, Curzon, Wavell. So the correct option is MacDonald. When MacDonald announced the communal award? Options are 15th August 1932, 16th August 1932, 17th August 1932, 18th August 1932. So the correct option here is 16th August 1932. MacDonald announced the communal award on 16th August 1932. According to communal award, Muslim quota of representation in Bombay was, options are 30 out of 172, 30 out of 173, 30 out of 174, 30 out of 175. So the correct option is 30 out of 175. According to communal award, the Muslim quota of representation in Madras was, options are 27 out of 215, 28 out of 215, 29 out of 215, 30 out of 215. So the correct option is 29 out of 215. Third is the right option. According to communal award, the Muslim quota of representation in Bengal was, options are 118 out of 250, 119 out of 250, 120 out of 250, 121 out of 250. So the correct answer is 119 out of 250. According to communal award, the Muslim quota of representation in Punjab was, options are, this is important MCQs, options are 86 out of 175, 86 out of 176, 86 out of 177, 86 out of 178. So the correct answer is 86 out of 175. The communal award reduced the Muslim majorities in, options are Assam and Madras, UP and CP, Sindh and Bihar, Punjab and Bengal. So fourth is the right option here, which is Punjab and Bengal. The communal award reduced the Muslim majorities in Punjab and Bengal. Who was the leader of the depressed class in India? Options are Gandhi, Nehru, Banerjee, Ambedkar. So the correct answer is Ambedkar. Ambedkar was the leader of depressed class in India. An agreement between Ambedkar and Gandhi was known as, options are Lucknow Pact, Delhi Pact, Pune Pact, Lahore Pact. So the correct option here is Pune Pact, and it is important MCQs. An agreement between Ambedkar and Gandhi was known as Pune Pact. When third roundtable conference began on, options are 16th November 1932, 17th November 1932, 18th November 1932, 19th November 1932. So the correct option here is 17th November 1932. Third roundtable conference began on 17th November 1932, and it is important MCQ. Which Muslim leader did not take part in third roundtable conference? Options are Dr. Allama Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, none of them. So the correct option here is Quaid-e-Azam, and it is also important MCQ. Quaid-e-Azam was a Muslim leader who did not take part in third roundtable conference. So these are 5 questions to test yourself. You can just pause a video here and solve these questions, and I will be glad if you share your marks in the comment section so I can know that these videos are really helping you. Thank you so much.